Upgrading your flooring is a crucial decision for any business, especially in environments where static electricity can cause damage to sensitive equipment. ESD vinyl flooring tiles offer a smart solution to protect both your equipment and your operations. Here's when it's time to consider choosing ESD PVC tiles for your business. 1. Handling sensitive electronics. If your business involves handling sensitive electronics, such as in electronics manufacturing, computer assembly, or cleanroom environments, anti-static flooring tiles are essential. Static control flooring tiles are designed to control electrostatic discharge, ESD, preventing damage to delicate equipment and components. ESD vinyl flooring helps to dissipate static charges safely, ensuring the protection of valuable equipment. 2. High-traffic areas. In high-traffic environments, like laboratories or manufacturing floors, durability and maintenance are important. ESD-controlled plastic flooring tiles are known for their resilience against wear and tear, even in areas with heavy foot traffic or mechanical movement. Their long-lasting durability makes them an excellent choice for spaces that require flooring that can handle constant use without compromising performance. 3. Safety and compliance. Many industries require businesses to meet strict safety standards, including electrostatic discharge control. ESD flooring tiles help ensure compliance with industry regulations by providing an effective solution for controlling static. By upgrading to ESD flooring, you create a safer environment for employees, reduce the risk of equipment failure, and comply with regulatory standards.